I'll scan Rescue 4.
Rescue 4.
Rescue 4, ladder 65, taking rescue box 431. 4427 Street Road, Faulkner GMC for a building collapse.
Rescue 4 received, and we're out with 4.
Okay, Rescue 4. Ladder 65, you copy?
Ladder 1.
Engine 222?
Engine 222 is around.
Okay. Multiple calls at this time. Give me a second to sort through. Rescue 16, start heading over that way.
Rescue 16.
Being pulled the roof wall off the service center. I'm also getting a water flow alarm for the service building.
Rescue box 431.
Rescue 4 received, thank you. Close to the service center, correct?
Number 26, second ambulance. 4420.
That's Rescue 4, the service center.
Rescue box 431. Engine ladder 65. Medic 15, cover 26, second ambulance. 4427, sir, to Faulkner GMC, a building class, 1912.
Engine 80, you go ahead.
Engine 44 is.
Alright, we're going to be transmitting a file on the Shannon Wall. I'll give you the details on that in a second.
Boss 88 will handle that. 44 stay over.
Okay.
Received.
Scanning Rescue 4.
Rescue 4.
Also be advised, we're getting another call in the 4-5 local for a tree down on the house.
Okay, look at that too. That should be Rescue 6, correct? Rescue Quarter Box. And Rescue 16 take that call. I believe they're going to be behind us when that closes on the road.
5, 4354 Garfield.
Alright, cover you stand by.
Ladder 37, you're up.
Engine 44.
Good, boss.
Alright, redirect down to 4's local. I'm now getting multiple calls for incidents in Lincolnia.
114, cover 486, 4354 Garfield, Lane of Concord Drive.
Alright, received. We're going to make our way down there.
Engine
222. We're going to head over to Metropolis.
building collapse, 19.
Rescue Quarter Box.
Rescue 4.
Based on the damage I'm seeing on Street Road, can you relocate some companies into our local? It looks like we're going to be generating quite a few calls.
Okay. Alright, engine 222, you're going to take the Metropolitan, you said? Alright, engine 44.
Yes, sir.
Alright, I got 2 calls from Lincolnia for trees down on houses with possible entrapment. One on Garfield, 4534 Garfield. The other is 4278 Concord. Rescue 16, hold up, stand by right there. Kenny Rescue 16, ladder 37, engine 28.
Rescue 6 of the battalion with 6.
Hi, Rescue 6. You guys for the rescue call. Just relocate to 65 right now. Ladder 37, how are you?
The Sam Southbound, switch to emergency.
That's fine, stay us out there.
Rescue 16 above. We can respond to the house. With the tree on it, we're right off the 5 area road.
Okay, engine 44.
Rescue 4 with a priority. Head box.
Stand by, Rescue 4, go your priority message.
For GNC Service Center, it's kind of like service center.
Stand by, Rescue 4, go your priority message. System 4 to Bucks, I got a major building collapse. You're going to give me another, at least 4 engines and 2 ambulances so we drive what we got here. There's going to be a mass casualty, but we don't know for sure yet. Okay. Engine 44. Wow, there's our looks. We're doing that. Just go to the scene of Faulkner. 44 bucks. Clear the air. 44 bucks. Go ahead. Engine 44, go to the trailer park. Start with the Zalea Avenue. I'll give you addresses in a second. 43 bucks. Engine 88 bucks. You need us to response where? Cool. Rescue 4. Or around the Faulkner. Alright. Engine 88, respond to Faulkner with the other companies. 1988, copy. Chief and Deputy 48 calling the Faulkner. Okay, Chief 48. Chief 44 as well. Deputy 37 also. Okay. Special Service 222. What do you have on Zalea? We'll take it. So the Zalea is 3226 Zalea for a tree down on the trailer. 2 disabled residents having difficulty getting out. I think engine 44 is going to have an interview also.
Rescue Box 6576.
System 4 to Bucks.
Westbound Turnpike, mile marker 350.
System 4.
Chase 1918.
They're setting up, walk through command box. And I need to take a stat. I got a major gas leak. Engine 21 is responding to Faulkner. Engine 21. Engine 28 as well. 165? James 20. Faulkner, commander box, we'll be attack channel. Let everyone know. I'll be taking in with 4 rescue box. Alright. Engine 4 to engine 1, you will not be able to get down Somerton. There is a tree blocking the road. Head towards the old Lincoln Highway. Is there a company that was sent over to Lincoln? I know you redirected a couple companies. System 16 bucks. Rescue 1610 to Wachovia. Okay.
Medic 113, Medic 160. And Medic 186. 4427 Street of Faulkner, GMC, Bentham, Tangier, Building Class.
Faulkner, commander box. We have everybody out of the building for management. Okay, did you make contact with the female in the vehicle outside? She had called 911 since she was stuck in a vehicle. I don't know if you made contact with that individual yet. No idea, just on bus. Well, she also has a squad come over by 965. And we're going to bring all the people out to that one area. They can check them out. Okay. That's full location, Faulkner. Command 1137. Check that main showroom there. Make sure we have no issues in there with people. Copy. Bucks County to the company's going to have other incidents in the trailer park and Lincolnia. Just advise me if you have injuries at those locations because we're going to be tying up most of the medical units at the Faulkner incident. Rescue 6 to Bucks. 4278 Concord has a tree down on it. 22 PD's out there. We're trying to clear the tree from the street at this time. Delayed. Okay. Residents at the window. This is 16 of us. Good. Real quick, I know you're busy. Can you Give us the exact address on the houses you have on in Laconia. The one on Concord, 6 is that way. Clear, we're making a right on Garfield. Alright, so that's all you have holding for Rock area? Stand by. Redirect. Be transmitting a task code 2441 Trevose Road for dwelling. I'll have you in Rescue 6 take that. Rescue 6, you copy? On scene with wires down on Garfield. Be out. Give your report in a sec.
Box 413, the box 420.
Alright, ladder 1, what's your location?
Engine 4 on clear.
What's again, ladder 1? What's your location?
Over to the corner.
Alright. Take the tactical assignment, 2441 Trevose Road, the 413 box, report of the dwelling fire. I'm going to have Rescue 16 respond with you over there.
Would drive at dwelling.
Garage over 2, thanks.
Engine ladder 1, rescue.
What's your Trevose command?
Would drive.
Rescue 16.
Go ahead, Bucks.
We'll be giving you TAC 2 if you want to switch over for the Faulkner incident.
Okay, switch it over, make the announcement, please.
This is 16 bucks. Can you give us the emergency band for our tactical? Yeah, switch over.
154. 19 Lindley.
Companies operating rescue box 431, 4427 Street of Faulkner. All companies operating will switch and operate on TAC 2. Repeating, all companies operating on the rescue box 431, 4427 Street of Faulkner. All companies will switch and operate on TAC 2.
154.
Engine 44 box.
Falls Township, patient assist.
Engine 44.
5, 999.
Well, I'm seeing the trailer park. We're unable to get to ice. The driveway's completely blocked. Ground on foot checking.
Okay.
Chief 44 bucks.
Giant 6 block.
West Bridge Street.
Giant 6. 4342, Garfield. Tree down, no one traffic. Primary down across the road, still alive. Guardy Pico.
West Bridge Street, New Armstrong. Box 9860, 240 West Bridge Street, New Armstrong, 1924.
Alright, Rescue 6, just checking. When you were at the Concord, did you check the residence there at 4278? Make sure it was on traffic. 22 PD was out with 10-7, they were good. Okay, I'll clear it out. Chief 6 Plus, I'm still out at that residence. The residents are still inside, but they're okay. Checking on the possible gas leak. Okay.
Engine 40 box, we are en route to the 413 box.
Okay, engine 4. Smoking is along possibly electrical.
Could be smoking as well. Chief 44 box.
Chief 44.
Azalea. Alright, I'm going to be on Azalea with engine 44, engine and the special service 222. Arlington Highway is completely impassable from Walmart to Street Road. We're not going to be able to make the 4 box for the building collapse.
Okay.
Engine 1, did about 3 southbound.
Engine 1, 2.
We're responding to Trevose Road to the dwelling. We are delayed. We're backing down County Line Road to get out of here.
Alright.
Yep. Southbound. Be on scene at 2441 Trevose Road.
Keep that B1. Engine 1, 2.
Engine 1, 2.
Just give me 1 second. I'll redirect you. They got enough companies going that is long.
Engine 1, 2.
G6, 7 bucks. Ladder 1 is off. Ladder 1. We're in the process of checking 3 now. In the middle of the road. Walking on it. Okay. The tank 6 o'clock. Tank 6.
Engine 65 bucks.
Engine 65. 4342, Garfield has gas for residents, cannot get to it to secure, is on the same side as the tree that is down. Engine 222, box. Engine 222, go. We're on scene at Metropolitan Drive. Everybody's out of the building. We do need a medic unit for one injured, heavy structure damage, and a gas leak. Okay. Engine 4, box, wrong way there. Okay, engine 4. What was the other location of the gas leak available? Where's that contract? What freeway road? There you got 4 companies on scene there. If you want to take, I got a couple calls up on the off. You want to clear that out real quick? Yeah, just drop us the address for that. You're total 4 bucks. Good.
Just so you know, Somerton Road between Metropolitan and the Circle is impassable. Multiple poles down and trees down across the road.
Okay.
Chief 6 bucks.
Chief 6.
4278 Concord just has some minor structural damage, no gas leak, power's been secured.
Okay. Is that a 65? Yep. 28 is making her way back with a full crew to give you a hand. If you can meet them on me, I'm going to call it Charlie Delta. Okay, just 20 minutes. Engine 84. Yeah, box. Just check the wires, call 65's local Bristol and Richmond. The fire alarm at the bottom will be an accidental. I'll clear that out to you also.
71 bucks.
71.
This time at 2441 Trevose, we do have a light smoke condition in the house. We're checking for extension. Do have a tree down against the wires of the house.
Okay, are you good with what you have on scene there?
Affirmative. You can read my engine wherever you need to.
I actually have a fire alarm at the house next door where you're at. I'll just have one of them check it. There's one WCA.
Oh, affirmative. I did see that going out.
Okay, Porter Box. What was the number for virtual again? It was a transformer at the intersection of Bristol and Richmond. Alright, we're around. Okay, your name is 228. Engine 12. Command ladder 37. Check, man. What's your crew location at the time? We're right in front of the vehicle. Let's see what. G6 foot. Can you make your way behind the Buick main building? Start doing a systematic search of the cars that have returned or damage. We usually have Battalion 6 above. Battalion 6. Confirming I do have an active gas leak, 4342 Garfield. Okay. Up against the woods area. Chief 6, listen. Chief 6.
Box 41-8.
4333 Concord, tree down on the house, unoccupied, no other hazards. Okay.
Box 41-8, Fair Road and Point Pleasant Wires. Little Box 41-8, Fair Road and Point Pleasant.
Are you guys leaving on scene or are you going to go?